Assalamualaikum grade 7. Welcome to the Zoom class. This is your science lecture. Today is 17 December 2020, Thursday. As we are doing your booklet work and today we will do one worksheet also. सबसे पहले हम वर्कशीट करेंगे 6.1. As we have discussed about the mixture and compound, physical and chemical change. So it is a reflection of your understanding of physical and chemical change. In this, I am asking to you that iron fillings and sulfur are mixed in a watch class. You have some iron fillings, you have some sulfur, and you mix them. How would you separate the iron from the sulfur? As you know that iron is a magnetic material, so you can use a magnet to separate that. What type of change is this? It's a physical change because you can separate the iron and sulfur easily. Iron fillings and sulfur are put in a test tube and heated. Now, heat has been involved, so means that they are going to have a chemical change. What new substances form? Iron plus sulfur. They will form iron sulfide. What type of reaction is this? It's a chemical reaction and it is a synthesis reaction. Can you now separate the iron from the sulfur? No, it is not easy to separate the iron and sulfur by physical means. It is difficult to reverse them because they are chemically combined now. What do you call the reaction in which heat is taken in? The reaction in which heat is taken in is called endothermic, and the reaction in which heat is given out, it is called exothermic reaction. Iron reacts with oxygen to form iron oxide. Represent the equation with a word equation. Simply you will write the iron plus oxygen, iron plus oxygen, and compound will be formed iron oxide. This is a word equation for this reaction. Okay, next name the reactant and the product in a chemical reaction. These two are reactant and it is your product. So it was about physical and chemical change. And yesterday we start your booklet work. So now take out your booklet and now come to the MCQs. Then we will start our question answers. MCQs. Number 1. Dash are the basic units of matter. It's option A, atoms. Respiration is a exothermic reaction because it gives out energy. Binary compound of oxygen are called oxides. Hydrocarbons mainly consist on carbon and hydrogen. We need three things to burn. Now question answers. All the answers are available. You can write the answers in your copy from here. Now what are some synthesis chemical reactions? The synthesis chemical reactions are, you can write this one, an iron plus sulfur and so many in which the things are combined together. Photosynthesis also you can write. Write some example of chemical changes. Chemical changes examples are like burning of anything, making a cake, soiling of milk, ripening of fruit. These are the chemical changes. What does chemical formula means? You have the complete answer here. Chemical formula identifies each constituent element by its chemical symbol and it tells you that how many number of atoms are present in it. Write some common chemical changes in daily life. You have seen some chemical changes in daily life like what we have. Food cooking, chemical change. Rusting of iron is a chemical change. And tarnish forming on doorknobs, they are chemical change. Fuel burning, they are a chemical change in daily routine life. Okay, now two more questions. Is cooking an egg a chemical change? Yes, because if you fry an egg or you boil an egg, it is difficult to reverse it. How we can write a chemical formula for a compound? We can use the symbol and then we write a chemical formula with its composition, how many number of atoms are present here. So it was about today. By tomorrow, inshallah ta'ala, we will complete our booklet and we will do one more, your worksheet. Till then, take care of yourself and please make sure you have your booklet so you can do the test. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. See you on.